today? You want to go on a big walk? Will that be fun? Will that be the most fun? Oh, you're so sweet. Okay, bye. Today we're gonna go on a hike. Are you excited to go on a hike, Ryan? Is Chummy excited to go on a hike? Wow. Ew.
Hey.
Oh my god, look at my hair out here. Look at your beautiful work. Out here in the here in the real world.
Oh, love it.
Wow. Ryan, before we go on a hike, do you want to get Dutch Bros? Do you want to have Dutch? Yes, he does. Oh my god. Not what I wanted. Okay, Ryan. You can do it. Come on. Good job. You're doing it. Yay! So fast afterwards. Here is kind of the height of our hike. Beautiful. Ryan is exhausted. He's over it and ready to go home. Are you exhausted and over it and ready to go?
Not quite. Not as bad as Ryan, for sure.
He's had enough. We have made it. You want to be in it?
I don't care.
Look at that sexy body.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. We made it. We're dead, especially Ryan. He was about done like 3 miles in and we went 5.2 total. So we made it.
We did.
I complained a little bit per usual exercise fashion.
She did great. She doesn't even need to complain. She does the whole thing just fine.
Yeah, I'll always do it. I just like to complain.
Yeah, that's true.
I do it to my personal trainer.
That's true because you don't give up. You just don't like it.
Yeah, I will have a negative attitude the whole time, but I'll finish it. God damn it. But now we need foods. I need the foods in my body. Okay, bye. Say bye, Ryan. Ryan literally hanging out the window.
No, thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Give me that Taco Bell.
I'm sorry, Ryan.
Literally closing our dog in the window.
Okay, if I'm giving you 20.37 and the total was 15.32, why the fuck did you give me 3 cents? Bitch struggled.
Don't they have like a cash register that tells you,
You
how much
just
to
type
give?
in what they gave you. A dime is 10 cents. Now, am I really upset that I lost 2 cents? No. Am I mad that you don't know how to count change? A little.
Especially when you
Rant
have a
over.
register that does it
That does
for
it
you.
for you. You didn't even have to think about it. 25 plus 10 is 35 plus 2, 37.
To be fair, I'm really bad at math, so.
But you don't even have to know math at all unless you literally just can't count change. Like, are you serious? Like, we all learned that in elementary school. Everyone. Even dum-dums know how to count change.
I know how to push buttons on a cash register and then look at the number that it tells me
Yeah,
and then give somebody that much.
You could type in the 25 cents and then the 10 cents and then the 2 cents. Like,
I I left this thing open for you to put your wallet back in. If you want.
I do want, but I'm also annoyed.
I know.
Get your life together. Like, I don't want more change. I want less change. That's why I gave you change. Ah! Oh, you still left it open.
Are you just hangry?
I am very hungry.
I didn't say hungry. I said hangry.
I don't know what I ate.
Nope, you missed. You're slicing your cord in half. Ryan, are you ready for Taco Bell? And some water?
Oh, shoot. I
My
forgot the
face looks
water.
less swollen, which is good.
That's how mad I was. I knew it. I knew it too. Didn't I tell you? I was like, she's struggling with that change. She's struggling.
I know, I heard you ASMRing it to yourself.
Good. Do your job.
It's okay, it'll all be over soon.
Yeah. I know. Once I get food, I'm going to be a completely different person.
You're like, I really want to teach her math.
Maybe I should
I'm here to improve the next generation.
Oh, I just saw a sign to spell Joaquin.
Oh, how was it?
Oh my god. Joaquin.
Oh, we were not close.
We were not right at all.
Good thing that didn't determine whether or not I got a pass or not. Because we would not have gotten a pass.
No. But also, if this is San Joaquin, why would that be San Joaquin in Auburn?
No, it was asking me for my home address and like what county I live in.
Got it.
And I haven't lived in San Joaquin County for that long, so I don't know how to spell it.
What is it? Are we Sacramento County when we're
Yeah, you're
Oak?
Sacramento.
Okay.
I'm San Joaquin. That's how I got out of jury duty.
What?
Suck it, California.
You said you weren't
Because they issued jury duty on me when I still lived at my dad's.
Mhm.
So when you move to another county, I don't have to do jury duty for Sacramento County because I'm not part of that county anymore. So I was just like, I moved. Can't go. But I kind of want to do jury duty. It seems fun. Like, I want to get put on a case because I love watching crime shows and like all that stuff. Like, I'm into it. And my dad always gets put on really cool ones.
I don't know.
Why are you crying? Have you ever had to do it? You got summoned. Did you ever have
I
to
got
go?
summoned. I didn't have to go. They dismissed me before I even had to show up. I called and they were like, no one has to come in for the rest of the day. And I was like, great. Do you want to do that?
Yeah, didn't you have something you needed to do that day anyways?
And it's like 3 or 4 years, I think, until you get summoned again.
That's
right?
not true.
Oh, no?
No, my dad gets summoned all the time.
I think that there's a certain duration though, like once you get it.
I don't think so. Because my dad used to literally
Look
get
it
it all
up.
the time.
Kelsey-ators.
Comment down below. Can I get summoned for jury duty again?
Lost Siri.
I've determined that Siri doesn't work when I'm recording. Hey Siri.
No, wait.
No.
I just meant at a later time.
No, I need to know now.
You could ask my Siri.
Let's ask Ryan. Did you hear those people's dog's name was Siri, that little puppy that we walked by? When we were leaving, that little lab puppy?
Oh, that's what they were saying. The
Yeah.
girls were saying.
Which is funny because you call your dog and you're like, hey Siri, come here.
Hey Siri, can you
I see
get
what they
over
did
here?
there. I'm a fan. That's a cute name actually for a dog.
Okay, we're almost to your house. My gosh. Just ready.
I'm mostly ready to eat.
Yeah.
Oh my god, do you need a more lifted truck? Excuse me. What are you
little's your
compensating
penis?
for?
Lee, why does that car look like it's going so slow?
Because it is. It's the next exit. No, it's not. You have to pass Peltier. Peltier, Peltier. Oh, you know how to get here now? Do you have it memorized?
Well, I know that you have to pass this flying school.
Yeah, this is where Ryan likes to watch skydivers. Did you know this place has the highest death rate in the country
What?
for skydiving?
What?
Yeah. It's like
So how is it still open?
because people will still go to the closest place, I'm sure. I'm sure people don't
Why?
care.
Why? Why would you do that?
I dated a guy that used to skydive there all the time. Just casually. Like, he had his own skydiving equipment and was just like real
What?
into it. Like, he would just casually every day just be like, I'm gonna go skydiving.
I don't
Like,
I'd
that's
never
me.
want to choose
Never.
flying.
I would
Yeah.
never do that. I don't want to die.
That's like choosing to end your life every day. Like,
Yeah.
willingly.
Like, if you're just skydiving every day, I know that the odds aren't that high that you're gonna die, but when
But
you're doing
the-
it that frequently, you're gonna be that one person
You're
at
gonna
some
be the
point.
statistic. There it is. Half of that.
home for a little bit, and then we're gonna go to Grandpa's.
I think you tell him too early. I'm surprised he's not crying more.
He always cries. He's already crying, so what does it hurt to tell him now? You're just a big crybaby who's gonna cry no matter what. Right? ABB. Oh.
Oh, ow, I forgot that he doesn't like the sounds.
He doesn't like any sounds that aren't words.
Oh my gosh, it was like right in my eardrum.
Are you deaf?
Yes, I feel like it's ringing now. I'm gone.
Is this where we say RIP headphone users again? More like RIP Chummy.
I wish that that would like get earwax out.
What a weird thing to say.
I feel like I need them. I need that mineral oil to get out my earwax. Or mineral water, I can't remember which one it is.
Is that how life works? The only time I've ever had earwax removed from my ears is like at the doctor when they like have that little tool that they
Yeah,
get it
they're
out
not allowed
with.
to do that anymore because I asked them and they said that they were like hurting people's eardrums doing that.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
They don't do it anymore.
Because I know they tell you you're not really even supposed to dig around in your ears with a Q-tip because it like damages the hairs that help you hear and all that stuff and whatever.
It hurts so much. I want to do that thing. Have you seen it like paper and then you like put like you light it on fire and then it like takes all your earwax out.
I thought you just like pour the wax into your ear and then it hardens and then it gets everything out. I don't really know how it works. I don't know. We're almost home. Is that why you're crying? You know where we are? We did it, Ryan. Do you want to get in your bed so bad? I bet that is the first place you go.
Is it? No, this isn't you.
It's after
Your
the
gate's
white
not
fence. Hey,
Well, look at the difference.
don't judge my gate. I will not spot the difference. This is not Where's Waldo. We did it, Ryan. Mom's coming in sideways. So we have officially left Chummy. She is no longer with us. And I am headed to my dad's, Ryan Grandpa's house so that we can then go out to dinner for my brother getting his degree. It's a little celebratory dinner. And from there, we will either go home or we may be staying the night at Ryan's girlfriend's house. Ryan's girlfriend's name is Coda. And we may be heading over there for the night before we start another work week tomorrow. So, we will see how much exciting footage I can continue to make for you when the actual work day starts because I've been off the whole time and I've been able to do more fun, exciting things. But until then, I will update you after dinner. I probably won't film too much at dinner. It's my family and they haven't really checked out what I'm doing yet or kind of volunteered to want to be filmed. So I will probably update you after dinner. This is happening. Pumping the dog bed in the back of the car. Cute, classy, pumping on the go. Did you miss your bed all day? Well, I got it for you.
Update. I had dinner with my family and then I came home and I fell asleep after taking that long hike and forgot to end the vlog. So here is the middle of the night. Good night. And I will see you maybe tomorrow if my work day is exciting enough to actually vlog. Good night. Bye. See you later.